In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deduplicate and merge contacts in Freshsales. Duplicate records can cause confusion, split up your conversations, and make reporting unreliable. Freshsales helps you clean this up with Freddy AI, which scans your data and suggests likely matches so you can confidently merge them. Let's walk through the process from start to finish, and I'll point out what to look for so you keep the right information intact. First, head to your contacts list in Freshsales. If you're working with potential customers instead, you can do the same from the leads list. The process is identical. Just choose the area where the duplicates live. Open a record that shows a duplicate suggestion from Freddy AI. When Freshsales detects a likely match, you'll notice a section on the record that points out possible duplicates. These suggestions are based on key identifiers such as name, email, or phone number, so it's a good starting point for cleaning up your database. In that duplicates section, you'll see the matching records listed. This is your chance to scan the details and make sure they truly refer to the same person. Look closely at unique fields like email and phone, and consider whether the company and job title align. If they don't match, hold off. Merging unrelated people will make your data messier. Click Review. Duplicates to open the consolidation view. Here you'll compare the records side by side so you can make an informed choice about what to keep. Choose the primary record, the one you want to keep as the master. This is important. The primary record remains after the merge, and it typically retains its core details and identity. A good rule of thumb is to pick the record with the most complete, accurate information, or the one already linked to ongoing conversations, tasks, or deals. Next, select which duplicates you want to merge into that primary. If you see multiple suggestions, only select the ones that truly represent the same person. If something looks off, leave it out and review it later. When you're confident, click Merge. You may see a confirmation prompt reminding you that merges are permanent, so take a moment to double-check. After the merge completes, Freshsales consolidates the records under your chosen primary, helping ensure future activity and insights land in one place. That's it. Repeat this process for any other flagged records, and your contact or lead list will stay organized and reliable, making your team faster and your reporting sharper.